Hey guys, I'm Taylor Chu. If you're like me, you are busy getting into the autumn spirit, buying new sweaters, drinking apple cider, and decorating. Now I love decorating for the season, but it can get a little pricey. So today we're gonna do a unique craft where we turn this regular old doormat into some fun fall decor. I spaced out my letters knowing that I was going to add volume to each individual letter. It's important that you make your letters extra bold, but you don't need to fill them in all the way, as that's what the acrylic paint is for. Our goal here is to really push that acrylic paint as deep into the bristles of the rug as we can go. Use a smaller brush to make sure you stay within the lines of your original trace. Our angled brush will help us get those really tiny areas. Remember, you want to push the acrylic paint into the bristles. Keep your rug in a covered area. Not only does water change the color of your mat, it can also stain the area underneath where the rug was. The best thing to do is to seal your mat and then display it in an area with an awning. And voila, it's fall, y'all. Now you have your own unique fall decor, personalized with your own handwriting and your own saying. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. You can check out my other crafting and baking videos. My name is Taylor Chu. I will see you next time.